doing a review on this $1 chrome powder. I'm here to do a review on this chrome powder, this Neon Aurora, I think I'm pronouncing that right. On this chrome powder I got for AliExpress, like for $1.50. So yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all how I use it and do a review on it, and also a quick little tutorial on how to do acrylic nails as well. My nails are kind of old, they're like a week and a half old, and I'll be doing this on a practice hand. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and push back your cuticles. After you've pushed back your cuticles, you want to go in and file, remove that shine from your nail. Then after you file, you want to go ahead and go in with your cleanser, and from that you want to go ahead and go in with your tips. I'm using these stiletto tips. I got these like off probably eBay or AliExpress. And also the nail glue. This is my all-time favorite nail glue. I like to use the Mia Secret Strong Jet Clear nail glue. I use this for applying my nail tips and also applying my stones. It's the best nail glue ever, hands down to me, and it dries really fast. Let's go ahead and file the sides and blend in the tips. So right now what I'm just doing, I'm just filing the side. I'm filing at an angle and against the nail tip, and then after that I just blend it in. And make sure you don't file your actual nail bed, it's just the nail tip. The sides, file the side walls at an angle, especially if you're doing like a coffin, just file at an angle, and then I just blend the tip. And I also, when I file, I use the softer grit when it comes to filing. Okay guys, so once I finish filing and blending my tips, now what I do is I go in and go ahead and cut down to the length I want it. The nail clipper, I'm using just a regular nail clipper. A lot of people say they recommend to use straight edge. I don't have a straight edge, right? After I cut, I go and file and shape the free edge, and I like to do like the up and down. I like to go up and down to file the free edge to get a nice like sharp, kind of crisp free edge. You make sure that I go over a little bit and file the side walls a little bit more. Go in with some more cleaning liquid and just spray it on there and clean off all that dust and all the dust and the oil, whatever. And after that, if you're doing this on your natural nails, you want to make sure you go in with a dehydrator and then a primer, a protein bond. I'm not gonna actually put this on my nail trainer because it's a nail trainer, you don't need to. But if you're doing this on your natural nails, I definitely recommend a dehydrator and protein bond. And the color I'll be using is this Mia Secret white. And for the glitter, for the accent nail, I just use this glitter mix I have. And also, you guys, mind you, I am not a professional. I'm not a professional nail tech. I am self-taught. I taught myself this. Will be using the 3-ball method. But yeah, I'm not professional. I'm self-taught. But I will be going to cosmetology school in a week or so. So I'll be professional soon, but not right now. So I'm getting there. Also, you guys, I definitely don't mind constructive criticism. I'm all about constructive criticism, so I don't mind. You can leave it in the comments as well. Right here with the pinky, I was kind of struggling a little bit, so yeah, if y'all see me doing something wrong, definitely leave it in the comments. I don't mind. I'm open to constructive criticism. Oh my god, constructive criticism. I'm open to it. applying all of the acrylic to the nails, I went in over my accent glitter nail and just applied a thin layer of clear acrylic. Okay guys, now after I finish like filling in and applying the acrylic, I just go back in and file the nails to my liking. Just file and shape them, make sure the shape is nice and crisp. Shaping isn't the best, but you know, I'm working on that. I'm still practicing on that, but go in with my e-file, and I use this extra fine drill bit. I got this from my local nail supply store, and I just go in and file the nails and make sure I get all the, like, go over the cuticle and make sure it's flush with the, you know, the cuticle area. So I just go over and do that, and once I like to go in with a buffer just to make sure everything is smooth, completely smoothed out before I apply my polish. And then for the polish, I like to use IBD, is it IBD? So basically what you want to do is you want to apply it to your nails, and you want to only cure it for 10 seconds. Again, only cure for 10 seconds. If you cure over 10 seconds, it won't work with any type of chrome powder or unicorn powder or so I'm going to go ahead and start showing you guys how I use this dollar unicorn chrome powder that I have. Okay, so I just dab my wedge into the powder only to get a little bit, then I dab it onto the nail, then I buff it out. And after you do this to all the nails, you want to make sure you brush off all the excess particles so it won't have that glittery effect once you put the top coat on. And after I finish that, I go ahead and repeat the second layer, and the second layer I just repeat the same thing because I do 2 coats of chrome powder to make sure it's pigmented. Okay guys, so once you have finished, make sure you dust off the chrome powder. Always make sure you, after you apply the chrome, dust off that extra powder. After you've done that, go ahead and top coat and you are done. So you guys, we are done with this tutorial. I hope you guys like that. I really like this powder. It's only for $1. It's pretty good. I really like it. So I definitely wasn't about to pay $25 for no freaking powder. So yeah, for $1, I think it's pretty good. And I hope you guys like this tutorial. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.